These are mine. These are mine. These are mine. They're mine. They're mine. They're mine. There it is. There it is. There it is. Whose is it? Whose is it? Whose is it? Look at the rainbow. Look at the rainbow. Look at the rainbow. Look at the flowers. Look at the flowers. Look at the flowers. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Do you want to play catch? Do you want to play catch? Do you want to play catch? He's my friend. He's my friend. He's my friend. Do you like summer? Do you like summer? Do you like summer? Learning English is fun. Learning English is fun. Learning English is fun. Did you pass the test? Did you pass the test? Did you pass the test? She studies. She studies. She studies. She studied. She studied. She studied. She will study. She will study. She will study. She is going to study. She is going to study. She is going to study. She should study. She should study. She should study. Dean is a nice person. Dean is a nice person. Dean is a nice person. I'm inside my house. I'm inside my house. I'm inside my house. We are good friends. We are good friends. We are good friends. You look pale. You look pale. You look pale. Are you all right? Are you all right? Are you all right? Are you doing well? Are you doing well? Are you doing well? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm cooking chicken. I'm cooking chicken. I'm cooking chicken. Fred loves pasta. Fred loves pasta. Fred loves pasta. Fred also loves meat. Fred also loves meat. Fred also loves meat. Drive the car now. Drive the car now. Drive the car now. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.